How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase or the Coinbase wallet. Now either ways, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Coinbase wallet or the coinbase.com. You can sign into your account. In my case, I'm not signed up or signed in, but I'll just be guiding it through. You want to simply head into the buy section. You want to tap on the trade option and then head into buy tab. As you can see on the screen, the buy. Once you tap on it there, it'll ask you to select the crypto that you wish to buy. In my case, I'm not signed in, so it's asking me to sign in. But if you're already signed in, it'll ask you to select the crypto that you wish to buy. So you want to simply select the Bitcoin option. Once you tap on Bitcoin there, it'll ask you to select the number of amount and add in the other bank details and such, and you'll be able to buy it once you add in the payment method. So this way you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.